Ladies and gentlemen, the American jury, please subscribe to my channel, The Bulldog Show, on YouTube. Today, I want to give a short legal seminar on what is called qui tam, or False Claims Act, or whistleblower claims. Qui tam is actually a Latin word that means in the name of the king. People think that a whistleblower case is always when you got dirt on your employer or somebody else and you're going to, quote unquote, blow the whistle. That's not true. By the way, it doesn't mean that that's not a case, but it's not what the law views as a classic False Claims Act whistleblower claim. What a whistleblower claim is a claim that involves government money being taken through fraud. That's what it is. For example, the Dr. Durrani victims filed a qui tam claim against Westchester Hospital and recovered money that was paid out to Medicare and Medicaid for unnecessary spine surgeries. The United States District Attorney sent out a press release that said when greed trumps patient safety, we must act. It also involves anybody can actually bring this claim, no matter who has the information. If you're the janitor at a hospital and you know about something that the hospital did, you can bring a qui tam claim. Anybody can bring it, but it has to involve the government's fraudulent spending of money, or, excuse me, screwing the government out of money through fraud. That's what it involves. In other words, it's got to involve government money that somebody is taking through fraud. When you file these lawsuits, and a lawyer is going to prepare it for you, it has to be filed under seal. It's not public knowledge. In addition, after it's filed, the United States government is the one that actually pursues the case. The United States attorney in the district where you file it gets to decide whether or not they want to take the case or not. And there's a time period for them to do it. So they become the lawyer for the person who's bringing the case. If the U.S. government decides not to take the case, the person who brings the case can still pursue the case. I once filed a qui tam claim against the largest landscaper in the country, Brickman. They do all the government buildings. An insider had all this information, and the government decided they didn't want to take the case. We took it anyway and recovered some significant sum of money. It's basically recovering money for the taxpayer. So when you bring a qui tam claim, you're actually recovering money stolen from the government through fraud for the United States Treasury. The person who brings the claim actually gets 20% of whatever is recovered on behalf of the government. So if somebody recovers $10 million of taxpayer money for the government, the person who brought the claim gets $2 million. The idea is to encourage people of blowing the whistle. It's a first come, first get type of situation. What does that mean? If I have insider information against a hospital who's screwing the government out of Medicare funds, if I file it first, no one else can file the claim. It's first come, first get. That's just the way it works. You can't have more than one person pursuing the claim. Finally, the court has to approve any settlement that is reached between the government and the target. And when the court approves it, it's over. Ladies and gentlemen, the American jury and Bulldog Nation, I hope that explains a little bit about what a true whistleblower claim is. And if you happen to know some information that all this would be relevant to, please contact an attorney. I encourage you to contact Deters Law. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. Have a great day.